So guys, I just entered this trade now, and I want to show you how I did it. And of course, before I show you anything, I want to first of all set my stop loss because I believe this trade is a very short trade. I just want to get some 5% and jump out. So I just want my ROI to be 5%, and sorry, I want to set my take profit. I don't have a stop loss for this trade. I'm going to click on 5% and set my take profit. Once I get to 5%, I want to get out of this trade. Now, without wasting much of your time, let me show you how I entered into this trade and what made me enter into this trade. I told you that once you know how to trade, you'll be very confident in your trades. All right, so this crypto is sent. Of course, I'm going to just come to the search space to type in on crypto send, SEND. Okay, when you come to the search page, you can see send. This is the crypto here, and I want to show you why I entered this trade. Now, normally I use the 4 hour time frame and the 1 hour time frame to trade. Okay, but first of all, I'll go on the 1 day time frame to see what this crypto is doing. Okay, so on the 1 day time frame, it shows me that the crypto is actually coming down. It has been coming down for a long time, but now it is starting to, push upwards a little bit on the 1 day time frame. Okay, so I went down to the 4 hour time frame. Honestly, I studied this chart. There was no single signal. All right, there was no signal. There was nothing that told me to enter this trade, except that I saw that the price is actually going up. Okay, so I just want to enter into a long trade for this particular crypto, but there was no signal to enter into a long trade. Now, for the fact that a crypto is going up does not mean you should enter long. I'm going to show you why I entered a long trade. All right. Now, I actually went down further to the 1 hour time frame to confirm what this guy is doing on the this thing. So the 1 hour time frame gave me a little bit of clue. This was where I started seeing a signal that okay, this guy is actually going up. Okay, so you can see there has been a movement in the market. Market was actually coming down and then went up, doing something like this, ranging. Okay, so it means that it's actually going to go up like this. Okay, and of course I cannot confirm that, but I still needed more confirmation. Remember guys, I taught you what is called a and I taught you what is called an order block. I taught you what an order block means, and I told you that an order block is a place where the price can easily reject. I'll give you several examples of an order block. If you did not follow that order block class, please go and watch our order block tutorial. Okay, so first of all, this is an order block. Okay, another block will always reject price. Major order blocks will reject price. This is also another order block. Okay, I told you how to do the strategy called an order block in an order block. All right, so however I came down here to I came here, collected my tools. This is my favorite triangle tool that I use to draw charts. Went down to the 15 minutes time frame and I found a sweet order block waiting for me. Look at where the sweet order block is located. This guy, in fact, let me remove the triangle tool. This guy is an order block. Very interesting. An order block is a place in price where there's a sharp movement in the price direction, which means the price was coming down and suddenly big boys, banks, and powerful organization have entered into the trade. Now, when you see a huge green candle, okay, when you see a huge green candle going up, okay, when you see a huge green candle going up, after a long red fall, it means that big boys, banks, and of course people who have a lot of money have entered into this trade. And of course that area is called an order block. So another blocks typically will reject price. Anytime you find another block, one characteristic is that the price, whenever the price come to that level, is going to bounce back up. I'm going to paint this color green. So what I mean is that you can see price. One characteristic of order block is that anytime you see, once the once the price is coming down, big boys start buying. Okay, you can see that first green candle is that first huge green candle is called an order block. The price is going to be going up, going up. At some point, the price will try to come inside that place that those big boys bought. Once the price enter there, it will be rejected immediately. So what you're just going to be when waiting for is for the price to enter into that green zone. Okay, and particularly I just set my orders at that point, and of course I entered a long trade, and currently I'm in a little bit of profit. I just want about 5%, and that is what it is. All right. Now, of course, apart from that, this is also a very good uptrend, because you can see the market is actually on a 15 minutes time frame. The market is actually on this kind of zone. Okay, now, I'm a day trader also. Okay, I'm a day trader also. And one thing I say for this kind of trade is that don't sleep on it. Okay, don't sleep on it. Just monitor your trades. In the next 30 or 40 minutes, I'll go and close the trade. Even if I get 3 3% profit, I'll close the trade, or 4% profit, I'll close the trade and look for another one. So guys, this is just a short tutorial to share how I enter this trade. And one last thing I want to mention is that you don't enter a trade blindly without any reason, guys. You must pay attention and enter a trade because you find a signal. Okay, don't enter a trade because you see that the the thing is trending. It can be trending, but once it's up, find a proper signal that tells you that the price is going to go down. If you don't find it, you leave it, because the price can still shoot up and go upper. All right. Now you can see this market was trending like this. I knew it's going to go up. I knew it's going to go like this, but I needed to find a confirmation. Okay, I need to find a confirmation that the price is actually going to go up, and this order block was my confirmation. So that was why I set the price to buy to long at this point. So once it enter into that green box, I entered a long trade. Okay, so I'm going to take my profit just maybe after this video or so. So guys, this is going to be the end of this class, and if you love it, give the video a like. I've been sharing lots and lots of future trading tips, and you can go check them out. There are lots and lots of strategies I've shared, about 4 or 5 of them, and I'll be sharing more in the future. If you love more future trading tips like this, go and like this video. Go and please leave this video a like, so that I will see these likes and I will know, okay, I have people who are interested to learn futures, and I'll be bringing more futures trades for you, and of course how to improve your futures trading. Now, do have a very wonderful day, guys. Definitely, I'll see you on the next one.